How to change your Facebook name. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I will show you how you can change your name on Facebook. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, changing the name for your Facebook account is very simple, but keep in mind that once you change the name, you'll not be able to change it for the next 60 days, which means that you have to make sure not to add any type of unusual capitalization, punctuation, or any of the unusual characters as well, if you're going to regret it later. Now let us begin with the process. We will just go ahead and launch the Facebook application. Once we launch Facebook, tap on the menu icon or the hamburger icon from the top right hand side, and here you have to scroll a little to the bottom and you have to expand the menu called Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, and here you can go to Settings. Once you go to Settings, you will see this kind of pop-up and all the options. Here you have to simply select the option called Personal Information right under the Account section. So tap on Personal Information, and once you go to Personal Information, right there at the top you can see our current name. So if you want to change our name, just select it up, enter the new name that you want to use, review the changes at the bottom, and as I said earlier, you can only change after 60 days again, so be very careful on this stage before you tap on the review change button as well. And just like that, you'll successfully be able to change your name on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more short tutorials like this one. And if you have any more questions, then feel free to comment down below, because we try to be responsive to as many comments as possible. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.